Welcome to Stump Decor, your creative space for stylish, simple, and inspiring wood decor ideas. Whether you're into DIY or just love the natural charm of wood, you're in the right place. Every day, we bring you easy-to-follow projects that turn plain pieces into beautiful home accents. Today we are diving into the beauty and potential of tree stumps, so grab your tools or just some inspiration and let's get started. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps the channel grow and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Stump Decor. Tree stumps, with their raw, earthy character and deep-rooted symbolism of nature, can be reimagined into beautiful, functional, and artistic indoor and outdoor decor elements. Far from being lifeless remnants of felled trees, stumps are full of texture, natural patterns, and potential. When viewed through the lens of creativity and sustainability, they offer endless possibilities for enhancing living spaces. Indoors, tree stumps can be turned into stunning furniture pieces that combine functionality with rustic charm. A polished and sealed stump can become a unique side table, bringing the organic beauty of nature into a living room or bedroom. The rich wood grain, growth rings, and natural imperfections add character and warmth, offering a tactile and visual contrast to more refined interior elements. Some people choose to leave the bark on for a more rugged, forest-like appearance, while others strip it away to reveal the smooth wood beneath. Adding glass tops, wheels, or metal accents can turn a simple stump into a coffee table or nightstand that marries rustic style with modern convenience. Outdoor use expands the range of possibilities. A tree stump left in place can be transformed into a garden sculpture or the focal point of a flower bed. It may be painted, adorned with mosaic tiles, or left to weather gracefully. A stump can also be hollowed and used as a planter for herbs, flowers, or succulents. Large stumps can serve as seating for outdoor dining areas or fire pits. Arranged together, they create tables and chairs that feel like a natural extension of the earth. They can also act as organic stepping stones or markers along garden paths. Stumps can be carved into animal shapes or whimsical fairy houses, complete with doors, windows, and tiny accessories. These touches add charm to gardens and spark imagination for both children and adults. Treated stumps make excellent porch or patio tables, umbrella stands, or outdoor lamp bases. Their weathered look complements both modern and rustic exteriors. Some homeowners use stumps as part of fencing or gate structures, integrating them into the landscape more naturally than synthetic materials. In public or community gardens, stump circles can become outdoor classrooms or story spaces. Schools and organizations often use them for educational art projects, teaching about nature, ecosystems, and recycling. Stumps often carry deep emotional resonance. A stump from a family tree, for example, can be turned into a keepsake, such as a stool or art piece, preserving memories of time spent beneath its branches. Using stumps in decor blurs the line between inside and outside. They bring an organic, grounding quality into the home, appealing to modern trends in biophilic and sustainable design. Indoor stumps must be dried thoroughly to avoid mold or cracking. This may take weeks or months depending on size and wood type. Once dry, sanding and sealing with oil or polyurethane protects the wood and brings out its natural beauty. Outdoor stumps should be treated with weather-resistant sealants to protect them from decay and pests. Regular maintenance ensures they last longer and maintain their aesthetic. Stumps can be adapted to fit various decor styles by painting, staining, or combining with materials like glass, stone, or metal. Their flexibility makes them suitable for rustic cabins, modern lofts, boho homes, and even industrial spaces. Incorporating tree stumps into decor is not just a stylistic choice, it's a philosophical one. It honors the life of a tree and gives it new purpose. Whether as a functional table, a whimsical garden feature, or a heartfelt family memento, a stump continues to serve. It holds the memory of its origins while offering something fresh and imaginative. Through creativity and craftsmanship, a once-forgotten tree becomes a living part of our stories and surroundings. This practice encourages mindfulness, sustainability, and a deeper connection to nature. In every ring and grain, the stump reminds us of growth, resilience, and the beauty of renewal. Tree stumps can mark paths or designate boundaries without the visual intrusion of metal or plastic signs. Painted or engraved with symbols, they gently guide visitors while maintaining the natural feel of parks, trails, or backyards. Ultimately, tree stumps serve as a testament to the potential lying in things often overlooked. Whether placed in a chic apartment or nestled in a forested yard, they invite us to slow down and consider not just what a space looks like, but how it feels. Their very presence suggests a story of what was, and what can be again with imagination, respect, and a touch of craft. As the boundaries between indoor and outdoor living continue to blur, thanks to trends in biophilic design and sustainable architecture, tree stumps offer a literal and symbolic bridge between these worlds. They bring with them the wisdom of trees, the resilience of nature, and the warmth of wood. Far from being waste, they are a beginning, a material full of soul and substance, ready to be shaped into something meaningful. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Stump Decor, we're all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Stump Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.